Good morning, everybody, once again from the Philippines, checking out a big huge banana bud. So we got some bananas going on here even more. So just bringing you a little update and a bit of success on roof repair and everything around the house. Last time we checked in, there was scaffolding all over here. We were repairing some stuff that was falling off the roof and found out that underneath the ceiling was messed up too. So they put these metal plates you can see with the air holes up there going around and down there. But the roof, knocked off the old stuff, painted it, looks just like new. So, and just to continue on, clean up a bit of debris here. So this is at least, you know, went from being very poor to fair and filled in a bunch of gaps. Got rid of some stuff, so it wasn't looking so ugly here. And got some of my tools here drying out. Trying to dry this tarp out, which may be useless because it's raining, but it is the rainy season. So also looking back on the edge of the roof and ceiling, so they finished all of that down there, painted all of that. Looks pretty good. Got rid of a lot of things that were sitting here, materials and such. Clean up a few old washing machines and steam clean them and set them up there. My little chemical tray, I don't think that's the permanent place, but it's okay for right now. So looking back at kind of the front of the house, it's okay. I took all the empty buckets, put them in some recyclable bags, but I'm gonna hold them, see if the workers need it. And moving on around here, looking back, the house looks pretty good. So we had the same problem on this side with stuff falling off the ceiling. So they knocked all that down and painted it, and it looks pretty damn good. And they picked up a lot of the debris. I raked some things up in piles, which I'm gonna shovel the rest away later. And then, of course, they moved on around to this side. Over here is where they're currently working. So they started here and moved all the way down. They're almost finished with this. On Monday, they come back. They'll be finished with this. Picked up most of the debris. I still need to get a rake and rake up all these little white pieces and shovel it away, trying to stay up on the debris thing. So now it's safe to walk around the house. So they are up to this part. And also doing a little roof repair. So everything is kind of a mess. Oh, they swept up the terrace too there, so not bad. I'll just come through here, take a high pressure hose and wash a lot of this white dust away. So walking through here so I don't bust my head. Okay. So we got kind of a major operation going on here. See the ropes. They're pulling up buckets of cement because apparently the water was pooling up on the roof and not going through all the drain pipes where these columns are at. So they're, I don't know, making a way that the water, making a little rise in the roof so the roof doesn't really, so it's not so flat. Or they didn't make it right to start with, so the water drains and not sit and cause damage. Then of course the last thing is the roof on this side all the way down, cause right there where we come out of the kitchen door, And what looks like part of the roof, as I said before, is really some plaster pieces they made to make the roof more pronounced, so it looks like that stair step, which is silly because the roof is already like that. But that's fallen off too. One day I came out, this big piece here was laying right here. So if you walk out the door, coming into the garden, possibly you could get knocked out. So hopefully we have another week to go, and then this will all be done. So, and got a lot of cleanup to do. I'm stuffing a lot of leftover material there. We're putting a lot of stuff there that I need to bust up smaller pieces and spread out, make it flatter. I don't want it to be a rocky thing because of snakes. So, I think I'm kind of done for today, because it's a lot of debris to get rid of and repack up to get the yard back to what it was. But at least I got this part done, which I ain't quite done yet. And then I got to move this way. So we'll get it together. And it's raining. Actually, it was a nice working, even though I'm wet, but a lot cooler. It is the rainy season, so I'll just stand under the canopy here, because it kind of rains every day. But I got some stuff done, so yeah, not a whole lot more to say. Kind of happy. It looks a little bit better. At least around the grill, I can at least walk around it and get to it now to grill. I got rid of a sand pile there, a smaller one right here. So it kind of looks okay. Got to get in there, clean some stuff up there, and then I'll get to the back. But trash time coming up. So I'll see how much I can get rid of on Monday and Tuesday. And here's Snow. She's sleeping. What do you want to say to the camera? Say hi. She follows me everywhere. She's always sneaking up on the videos. My little buddy. So, that is this side of the Pacific. And hope everybody having a wonderful Sunday. Stay tuned again. Bye now.